And video we say all about AACAfest Asante Akim Central omo ebabidi ayane say the maiden edition of AACAfest. AACAfest ni kwa ka enene de Asante Akim Central August Festival eno ene AACAfest no na sadwumi die na tete no na fa ne say na wo ho no omo no August night na edu August na August for no eba no makeka mo ho abom na say Oma to party and I say NGB na omda yiji omwani. Nanso assembly no are led by Honorable Robert Yakwache. Ono ena ohun se ni swade hun se no se BBC ewo hona asan akofoma adentini yentumi enkenya no na ensa embambe ye ade soronko kura this time no enye a day one day bi nanso ebe festival ebema edi impuntu edi investors edi amanfo be back room hanom so be hu eniema Asante Akim Central yewo eni sam me nka say the maiden edition I call a media launch no ensemo AACAfest no ensemo mde tudwa no yanko na yenkuti de honorable Anyimedu entry MP for Asante Akim Central or the tudwa about the AACAfest no.
Asante Akim Central August Festival. Asante Akim, you didn't check a crowd. And so, and near money be free or so they see a propos a cruise, any for the pool, any near Mabia, Piason, yen small for dear, yen chichi chrono, ye will be baby or by Afashe, baby, or one more. Aboatre Asante Akim Central, progressive. Asante Akim Hena Yafashe and Kasa. If be a nanum, ye know here, it's true, yes, so you're red, a free. Our Rodika say unity of purpose. Say the ends, any that time. Assembly no afan tuma from Ifra. Benese nea ose bienko ose sanya uniechi eso sign. The balance say Asante Akim Central for asman. Se me di juma ewo. E brass say se se be fie na me be sisi fie. Na hwe ema ifie. Nti Asante Akim Central sports memra yeti bia yidabo kra ese ijaiba ene ya wodi na be moye ni kakra na so mo pa chemi ese ka no parliament be so maka jumenti nia ihienti ene wa here can say August eye osome mo twinu benefo adwene ho esi se ye pese ye afashe Afashes from home, ewo Asante Akim Central. And only have to redeem Asante Akim Central Festival. So the August Festival. You can teach here a year of AACAfest. And on that, and idea, as I say, no say to anymore. This is party, food to that trial issue. AACAfest. I say it is a but in four, and they never be brave. A good one, very. Now they teach you and then they pop also, and then now, yes, share more and say, then we are become more gay, more dramatic, more entertaining, now sign educate, now sign inform the problem. So I may be in some. I get that the young can't grab a mossetti, as a refactor. Where the air setting. And the answer to the same, ye be AACAfest. And it's a trap Mona, ye demo chassis, ye did to man. Ye be a shamunsa. Some waiting near what they not walk and put the wood. You may be no, ye qua. Ye don't want to call people trade piano. If ye say, yes, I know, yes, ye want to trade piano. You hear in Ayapa, Ayapa. It is true about this one. And Yadia, ye be every. The extra minister put in our boy. Next time we are here, and she say, and I'm on to any other year this one. yɛbɛhwɛ Asante Akim na bɛyɛ krabo bɛhwɛ Asante Akim nneɛma bebree hian ɛnyɛ biribiara na ban ɛbɛtumi ayɛ sɛdeɛ biribiara bɛtie na aban bɛboa yɛn ne yɛtwɛn aban anim aban bɛhwɛ akwan seesei yɛ deɛ mpanimfoɔ hyia a yɛdwendwene ho no nneɛma bebree wɔ hɔ hian na deɛ ɛdi kan paa AACAfest ɛwɔ ɛreba so 2023 ɛnyɛ dwumadie ɛnyɛ no da korɔ na yɛgyae yɛpɛ sɛ yɛafa hyɛ a yɛbɛtena hɔ da biara na deɛ titiri no yɛde education asi ani so sɛ nkwadaa no bi wɔ korɔ ɔmokɔ sukuu a table ɛne akonnwa a ɔbɛtena so na ɛso ayɛ ebi wɔ hɔ a yɛ model desk ebi wɔ hɔ a yɛ dua desk yɛpɛ sɛ AACAfest ebi twɛ mu awie no akwadaa biara material ɛsɛ sɛ ɔde enya na ɔde sua adeɛ ɛsɛ sɛ nsa ka nkyɛn na mo sɛ municipal director of education ɛma Asante Akim etu ɛbɔn ɛfa ɛni reading ɛne nneɛma a sɛ Asante Akim yɛkɔ nkan paa wɔ Asante region if no Ghana nyinaa ɛno nti yɛpɛ sɛ yɛto asa adeɛ no so saa kɔda bɛkɔ sukuu na ɔwɔ yɛ nti mɛsrɛ yɛwie onua bi ɛyɛ Asante Akim ni bi kura a ɔbɛ afi akyɛ yɛkɛn onua bi Asante Akim ni bi kura a ɔbɛ sɛ ɔbɛ fie bi di akɔ ama kakra nanso ɔwɔ ama no ne yɛhwɛ ne yɛmfa saa nneɛma a wɔnyɛ anhyɛ hɔ na data yɛahyɛ sɛ 18 to 27 no nhyehyɛ yɛ nyinaa nsɛntwerɛfoɔ yɛ mama so ɛnti yɛde bɛda no na ho nso so ɔbɔ ne dawuro ama wiase nyinaa ate na wɔwɔ bɛba bɛwɔ yɛ August no mu no abɛwɔ yɛ wɔn nso efiri ha nso a wɔn mforo ma wɔ ha nso wɔn abɛka ho ama yɛahyɛ aseɛ kora wɔbɛ sɛ me nua arabe mu ɛwɔ ha yi a ayɛ nneɛma bebree ɛde aba Ghana football ti wɔduro akyiri babaafa na yɛgyae enya no but MC mfrɛ no sɛ dwumadie a yɛdue ɛsiane sɛ yɛ international na ɔno nso ɔyɛ international figure ɛnti wɔbra na ɔbɛboa yɛ yɛbɛda wase sɛ wo nso wode ɔsɛ yɛ na waba abɛboa yɛ yɛdoro nyinaa menim sɛ team a wobɔ wo team members ne adeɛ nyinaa saa AACAfest deɛ ɔmo ama yɛbɛgye wafiri sɛ yɛma kora nsa nkɔ
summary so ɛyɛ Honorable Robert Yaokwache a ɔyɛ Asante Akim Central MC ɔno nso ɛka wei ɛfa ɛyɛ AACAfest adwumadie no ɛho.
Today marks the official media launching of the Asante Akim Central August Festival. I warmly welcome you to this media engagement on the celebration of the first edition of the Asante Akim Central August Festival. The Asante Akim Central August Festival 2023, AACAfest, is an initiative by the Municipal Chief Executive, the Honorable Member of Parliament, with support and collaboration of stakeholders, including chiefs and elders of the Asante Akim Central. The aim of the celebration of the festival is to bring together the people of Asante Akim Central, both local and in diaspora, in unity to promote the development of the municipality. The theme for the celebration of the maiden edition of the AACAfest 2023 is the promotion of quality education through the provision of 5,000 model desks and dual desks for all basic schools in the municipality. This year's celebration is scheduled to take place from 18th to 27th August 2023. Over the years, Asante Akim Central was well known for its August celebration. This was due to the fact that its natives living in abroad and other parts of the country used to join families and friends back home for socialization aimed at promoting unity of purpose and the development of the municipality. This made our town, Asante Akim Central, to be known as August Town or August Town. To this effect, there were a lot of entertainment and overflow of economic activities during the period. For quite some time now, the enthusiasm has gone down for this accompanying social trade and economic activities. It is against the background that myself and the stakeholders have officially initiated the month of August as a homecoming month through a festival, the Asante Akim Central August Festival, AACAfest 2023. This festival will be celebrated annually to bring together natives of Asante Akim Central, both home and abroad, to promote development. Overview of the AACAfest 2023. Friends of the media, Asante Akim Central August Festival, AACAfest, is the first annual festival being organized by the Asante Akim Municipal Assembly to showcase the abundant agricultural, industrial, entrepreneurial, sporting, entertainment, and business opportunities in the municipality. The municipality is strategically located along the Accra-Kumasi Highway, making it an attractive destination for business investment. With its rich culture, abundant fertile land, friendly, teeming population, business potential, peace-loving traditional authority, and a stable municipal administration, the municipality is ready to tap into its high resources to accelerate its development. Cocktail of activities have been lined up to bring together natives, friends, sympathizers, associates, and acquaintances of the Asante Akim municipality to brainstorm on ways of pushing forward the developmental agenda of the municipality during the festival. The festival has been strategically slated for the month of August, as it is the month in which the natives, both home and abroad, convey to enjoy the summer holiday, attend funerals, weddings, and other family engagements. It is the expectation of the municipal assembly that during the festival, the various stakeholders, interactions, and districts will find a common path to bring needed development to the municipality. It is for this reason that the municipality is extended and hand-friendly to everybody, especially corporate bodies, individuals, business, and natives of the area to grace the festival and make it a resounding success. Mr. Chairman and friends from the media, the festival is a sustainable development project that will harness the potentials of Asante Akim Central Municipality for economic growth and youth empowerment. A well-tailored program of activities has been earmarked to bring together the indigenous of the municipality, both home and abroad, to help contribute to its rapid development. Against this background, the month of August has been carefully slated as it coincides with the homecoming of Asante Akim citizens living abroad for the summer holiday, funerals, and fanfares. All media houses in the municipality will be engaged as media partners to spearhead the vigorous publicity campaign for the festival through design programs to ramp up the sustained public interest before and during the festival. The festival will begin with a Muslim prayer on Friday, August 18, 2023, to be coordinated by the municipal chief imam. The health work, screening, and blood donation exercise will be coordinated and supervised by the municipal health directorate in collaboration with Nananom and assembly men and women. The municipal chief executive will lead a discussion on the economic potential of the Asante Akim Central Municipality and the way forward. The rich experience of traditional leaders and Nananom will be tapped into as a grand level of chiefs and people of the municipality will be held to set a developmental agenda for the municipality as a whole to climax the event Saturday, 26 August 2023. There will also be an engagement by financial institutions with traders and SMEs in the municipality on how to grow their business by leveraging on their financial products. The fundraising dinner will be organized to carry out a commemorative project for the festival. The aim is to raise funds for the purchase of 5,000 mono desks and dual desks for all schools in the municipality. That is, operation. Every student in the municipality must have a school desk. A pool party will be organized for the youth. The Municipal Education Directorate will coordinate the marathon competition during the festival for the schools in the municipality. Gala competition will be organized, comprising interzonal sector competition to be coordinated by the Municipal Sports Directorates and the assemblymen and women in the various zones. Beauty pageant and the crowning of Miss AACAfest 2023. Gospel road show to be coordinated by the local council of churches. There will also be an artist night and a street carnival to entertain the youth. Trade fair and exhibition show. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, I officially declare Asante Akim Central August Festival 2023 duly launched, and it is my expectation that the media house will strategically promote the festival to make it a success. Thank you.
Sansuna ye Black Star player Rabiu Mohammed ononso ede ensem kakra ede tudwa.
Sports. Asante Akim Central sports idea, football idea, so like a lot of places. Now, the Wahab because of sports now, the short one, I'm a performance talent with whom I'm a some more. And what man has is an emotional social the talent was the focus is maybe another part that you can maybe in the project junior work out, but in the that's more also the kind of part of team one. Maybe that you know about the senior work out. So we are one of the songs at the moment liberty for my modesty and but was no register and it means a woman and now 1 kilo so in senior worker. Then he said, may try say may push a lot now the appellation and two more photos. But I was that
amanfo ba komienu etwetwe nkomo interviews ama yehuomo nso omadwen efa AACAfest adwumadie no eho.
This place is good. This question. Come and the first time be a tourist site. With me, Aboma Asante Akim Central.
No, you a tourist site. Nina, no, you need tourist center. Unza intimate here. And you know, very insulated class. Boat is so. I will know. I didn't be a Hanoi. You will be a baby. I in so Monty tourism there. Baby or Hanoi. The big work. Asante Akim for this is an opportunity. Say, ye bi e so ka ho so what to kwan a sabre eno ti na be se obafi obi atukwan efie mienu mfie no mfie dukura bia o ma fie that this is an opportunity o banso a obehia wunu a obehia wo fase obehia papa obehia mama nti a good time so bia be be
Ladies, Munchia just saying.
Diamond precious.
Diamond.
Precious.
Diamond.
Precious.
Me who say most my ba abegresi occasion na media lunch no. Na most my ba say na mu hu dwumadi ni nyina.
Oh. Me bra na ya da wasese wo ma yesa akwanyen. Yenso ye ni ajepa, isan say MC ye patron. Ye Diamond ladies ye patron. Nti wotonsa frɛ yen. Oye dwumadi ese ya yentimi nkase ye tenafie ye metan na chi nti ye baaye de yanum onyam ne ahoden e betan na chi se ya otan na esi nani so no ebetimi abam na ye fefefe Asante Akim baaye ye ni ajepa se obeti se MC adwen na ode aba no se ye nyina de ahoden boa no na timi ye adwuma dem nim se Asante Akim no ebe sa fa ne ntoma fra ama ye tumpon apa ye nim.
Yes. Yeah, tell
me show wa me say unfie kwa nimpa mugidi say ubeto eye August festival no ebi wo Asante Akim ana senya na esitie no enne o share enne ni nkire mu no de maaye no won say difference bi ana nsonku bi ebebe mana.
Oh, me a sure pass sonko bebam science first no na ye kasa August e ba Asante Akim na ye butu e chen bro nya akra science August ba ebinim wa kwantu mu sanya August nko bo wa akra kuma se tamale August na eba ninti oba saa tam no eyiye koso aware koso bibia activities bebre eba ntina emu ode dru August ya se tituru kra ya no maayo se ho na wo pe wo mpaboa wo pe watade bi hu so August eba nti ye ko ba bi by this time saa ne ema ni nyina no akọ enti no saa mre se wo saa peja kanya saa de ne dia ye da na se ne Diamond Ladies ye mpa ebo beta na chi se ne botaye no so ebebem
nti die na won so ka kire won na won so ntumi amba no ana won so wa akwantuo mu afa dwumadi
oh die meka ne se mi nuanom omo wa akwantuo mu omo wa amonone omo wo Ghana fane ba bia no me ka kire omo se dwumadi a ye ba Asante Akim obi anfa ne ho mehyem na omowa na sa dwumadi entumpon na nye ono ne pen so me ye sure se ka ho a obi bia na obebe bia no nchirima obi obebe bia no ba besom ama bibia aye kama
yeda se ne echo
mesime da se
ka se musical group ba ko ayo Asante Akim nation penifo onso e wa hanuma so ye ne ebe tutu nkomo ba ko dia na tie e wo ye social media na so anase interfere ne so mo ye ndane ye say kakai ne ehone ma nyuma am de ba bebre na ye kan say ye Nation for and penny for so I know more about non-stop. Okay. Make us a China Nation most of by every gracie occasion. Now, by Sana Muhono.
Oh, yes, there from the onset of Bibiano, behind the scene Bibiano, more involved in more plans in Bibia Kubia by an media launch in say about the original matter of Mochi. In program, what is them called passes Bibia. In idea we mutrimenti omde say na no say good idea a supportive idea into no how come say we be say well the municipality I so emfa yen him into ne ba say we support ama bibia come
then also catch your musical group others no so efa dwumadi
we a big opportunity my creative person be our Asante Akim because aside be the bibia to nchen art and entertainment aspects no more. And this is an opportunity for all creatives in Asante Akim to come out and showcase the Omubia. So, share them now. We are and we enjoy the answer do energy no support Babishim, Babe Chelsea now. And they see Kwanke was a higher field with creatives, art people, no, but any media launching into no. Yes, we do social media no. See, be open to say see na eko. You be on the demo be able say na assembly no a creative art industry no konongo. Nti e be say the bar obi a fa no hunshimbi.
Some make catch us uni Totally TV no so anase uni chia following and subscribe to your channel no. Na mia adoma no so say na video bi e de beto aba AACAfest no so no obonya eye notification na won wahwe eye dwumadie no abi so me ka cho say AACAfest eye Asante Akim Central August Festival no ebeba so on the 18th to eye 27th of August na dwumadie ne bebre na ewom ni nyina no cho say the next video no we be hu eye activities AACAfest no ebekoso ewo ho so me ka cho bia say wonso edu ho no ma na wonso obehwe eye nia ebekoso ewo Asante Akim Central aha no me da mo nyina amase